Let's learn English and Indonesian sentences in 3 minutes. I'm homesick. I'm homesick. Saya rindu kampung halaman. I'm homesick. That is a puppy love. That is a puppy love. Itu kan cinta monyet. That is a puppy love. We need to talk. We need to talk. Kita perlu ngobrol. We need to talk. I cannot wait to see you. I cannot wait to see you. Saya nggak sabar ketemu kamu. I cannot wait to see you. Sorry, she belongs to me. Sorry, she belongs to me. Maaf, dia milikku. Sorry, she belongs to me. We have to learn by doing it. We have to learn by doing it. Kita harus belajar dengan melakukannya. We have to learn by doing it. I feel down. I feel down. Saya merasa galau. I feel down. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Saya nggak peduli lagi. I don't care anymore. A million thanks to you. A million thanks to you. Aku ucapkan beribu terima kasih. A million thanks to you. He is handsome and attentive as well. He is handsome and attentive as well. Dia ganteng dan juga perhatian. He is handsome and attentive as well. I'm counting the days. I'm counting the days. Saya sedang menghitung hari. I'm counting the days. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. Saya ada janji. I have an appointment. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Jangan buat saya marah. Don't make me angry. He's an expert in communication. He's an expert in communication. Dia pandai dalam komunikasi. He's an expert in communication. I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can't. Sepertinya gak bisa deh. I'm afraid I can't. Who did you go with? Who did you go with? Kamu pergi dengan siapa? Who did you go with? Thank you for watching.